Traveling the world might seem like an impossible dream if you're on a budget, but it doesn't have to be. There are plenty of ways to see the world without breaking the bank. With the right strategies, you can experience new places, cultures, and adventures while spending less. Whether you're a solo traveler or traveling with friends, these tips will help you stretch your money further. Before we dive into the details, remember to like this video and subscribe for more practical travel advice. Let's get started with the best budget travel tips and tricks. 1. Plan in advance to save more. Planning ahead is one of the best ways to save money on travel. The earlier you book your flight and accommodations, the cheaper they usually are. Setting up price alerts can help you monitor deals and find the best prices. Researching destinations that are affordable to visit can also help you save money. The off-season is often the best time to travel, as many places reduce their prices. 2. Use budget airlines and transportation. Budget airlines are perfect for those who want to travel far without spending a lot. Many low-cost carriers offer great deals if you book in advance. While they might charge extra for baggage or food, the initial ticket price can still be a huge money saver. If flying isn't your only option, consider buses, trains, or carpooling, which can be much cheaper. 3. Stay in budget accommodation. Instead of staying in expensive hotels, consider other options like hostels, guest houses, or Airbnb. These places can offer great deals and give you the chance to meet other travelers. Many hostels also provide kitchens where you can cook your meals, saving you money on dining out. For a more immersive experience, you can try couch surfing or stay with locals for free. It's important to read reviews and compare prices before booking your accommodation to ensure you get the best deal. 4. Eat like a local. Eating at touristy restaurants can quickly drain your budget. To save money, try eating where the locals go. Street food is not only affordable but also a great way to experience the culture of a place. Many countries have inexpensive food markets where you can get fresh, delicious meals. Shopping at local grocery stores and cooking your own meals is another excellent way to keep costs down. Avoiding high-end restaurants in favor of local joints will save you a lot of money while still letting you enjoy authentic cuisine. 5. Travel during off-peak seasons. Traveling during the off-peak season can save you a lot of money. Airlines and hotels tend to offer lower prices when fewer tourists are traveling. The peak season for most destinations is during holidays or summer months, but traveling just before or after that period can lead to significant savings. In addition to cheaper accommodations and flights, you will also avoid long lines and crowded attractions. Plus, some destinations are even more beautiful during the off-season. It's the perfect time to explore without the crowds. 6. Find free or cheap attractions. Many cities around the world offer free attractions that are just as amazing as paid ones. Look for public museums, parks, and historic sites that don't charge an entry fee. Natural attractions like beaches, hiking trails, and waterfalls are often free to visit. Many cities also host free events such as festivals, concerts, and art exhibitions. With a little research, you can find incredible things to do without spending a dime. Always check for discounts or free entry days at museums and cultural sites. 7. Pack light to avoid extra fees. Packing light not only makes traveling easier, but can also save you money. Budget airlines often charge hefty fees for checked bags, so packing everything into a carry-on bag can help you avoid these costs. By packing smart and light, you can save on luggage fees and avoid the hassle of waiting at baggage claim. Bring versatile clothing that can be worn in multiple situations, and don't overpack. Not only will this help you save money, but it will also make your travels more convenient. 8. Use travel rewards and cashback programs. If you travel frequently, using travel rewards and cashback programs can save you a significant amount of money. Many credit cards offer points for every purchase you make, which can later be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, or even cashback. Traveling the world on a budget is possible with the right approach. By planning ahead, using budget-friendly transportation, and making smart decisions about accommodation and food, you can explore amazing places without draining your savings. Whether you're exploring new cities or immersing yourself in nature, these tips will help you make the most of your travel adventures. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more budget travel ideas. Safe travels and happy adventures!